So if you look at the life cycle of a startup, for most of us, this valley of death is crucial. This is where, an idea can either go from being a hero, from a zero to a hero, or it can be completely negative. So this is the key part we're talking about, which is, well, how do I figure out what idea I have has legs, and how do I check the feasibility and get into a market validation mode? Questions you want to ask yourself are, first and foremost, do I want to be in this business? Number two, is this business feasible? And do others believe in this? And third is, how do I validate it? Once you find a validation and you're getting early traction and people are willing to pay you some money and you're building out the team, then it's a question of only reworking the model, figuring out, how to improve the value proposition, etc., etc. What is a business idea? At the beginning, it's kind of sometimes just a fancy, some kind of an impression, some kind of thing which is maybe, you had a little bit of a pain and you say, look, somebody has got to do something about it. So this is all it is. But if you want to convert this idea into something concrete, the first thing is it has to create or add value to somebody. Typically, somebody is willing to pay for it. Secondly, it should solve a significant problem, remove some pain from somebody, or help in meeting a demand for something. Okay. Like, for example, if I take Uber, I like to use that example. What is Uber's proposition in the beginning? If you were to condense it into one line, on the one side, you had people who were requiring personal transportation on tap. On the other side, you had a bunch of people who had vehicles that were barely being used and wanted to make better use of them by being driver partners or whatever it is. So basically, what did Uber do? Real-time matching of the demand and supply for personal transportation. So that's the significant problem which they faced in San Francisco, where the other alternative was only the yellow taxi, which was very often not available or very difficult to get. And, behavior of those guys was sometimes odd, etc. The third thing that you need to do is, will it have a large market opportunity, and is there a potential to make profits, etc. And finally, very importantly, this is what many people will look at is there a fit with the key team and the founders and the timing too should be right. When all this kind of match together, then you can say that the idea has the scope to become a real opportunity.